Parachute Regiment is one among the most elite and decorated regiments in the Indian Army. It is known for its power and capacity to undergo the toughest and rigorous operations in all of the army. Various roles of the Para Special Forces include special operations, counter-terrorism, hostage rescue, direct action, special reconnaissance, counter-narcotic operations, covert operations, counter-intelligence, counter-insurgency, and counter-proliferation. Operations done by these special forces include Operation Mandhol and Chhasro Raid during Indo-Pak War of 1971, Operation Blue Star in 1984, operations in Sri Lanka in 1987, Operation Cactus in 1988 at Maldives, Kargil War of 1999, Operation Khukri in 2000 at Sierra Leone, Operation Summerstorm in 2009, ongoing counter-insurgency operations at Kashmir and the hostile north-eastern borders of our country, counter-terrorist operations in Samba, counter-insurgency operation in Myanmar 2015, and the recent surgical strike in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. But where is Operation Apache? Why is this operation not included in the above list? What is this operation all about? So buckle up yourself and keep your chin and chest high to hear a small untold story of the 9 Para-SF warriors. It was the year of 2001. Pakistanis were feeling humiliated. Even now they do, due to series of defeats faced in wars with the Indian Army. In response to get their heat down, some of Pakistani infiltrators infiltrate into our borders and kill the innocent peoples, which they do always. The Bakarwal community, or the Gujars of Kashmir, used to live by means of sheep herding and goat herding and are mainly based at Pir Panjal Himalayan mountain ranges. They had no big dreams rather than living happily. But the Pakistani infiltrators used to frequently behead these innocents and steal their animals. Even though there were tough border restrictions placed, the Pakistani intruders never had a look at the rules. To get rid of them, the Gujars approached to the Indian Army. Hearing this inhuman act being performed by the Pakistani intruders, the commanding officer of the 9 Para-SF got high and decided to give them a befitting response. This operation was named Operation Apache and is said to be one of the most special operations conducted by the force. Operation Apache was company-level operation of 9 Para-SF, which started from an LOC hugging sector in the pitch dark night in 19th November 2001. This operation was so special and so critical that the CO, the commanding officer of the battalion himself, was leading the operation, and it is said that government of that time does not even knew about it. Later, this turned out to be one of the most important operations to restore peace in Jammu and Kashmir. With 70 brave warriors of this land, the CO of 9 Para-SF crossed the line of control. Location of action was intentionally chosen to be 1 kilometer away from the biggest Pakistani brigade. Here, presence of our soldiers made the Pakistani run in fear. One by one, every Pakistani's head was plugged by our Indian Army and were being shot down by our men. No one was spread, and it was happening just around the corner of Pakistani brigade. In between the operation, a 6 feet 4 inch Pakistani Pathan soldier tried to kill an operative by stabbing him in the back, but he was silenced within a second. Even though our men was injured, the paramedics present there immediately did what was necessary. With the level of blood spilled at that night, the fierce and powerful men of 9 Para-SF gave the enemy nation a clear message that if anyone tries to disturb the peace of our country, it will be extremely dangerous, undoubtedly dangerous. The remembrance of this story will remind us that if 20 years before our army gave this sort of response, imagine what response it can give now to Pakistanis. Never test the patience of Indian soldier. Jai Hind.